Oh, game, pakinggan nyo na po itong dalawa, mga kababayan. Oh.
In what particular portion of the subject video
Sandali ah. Uulitin ko, i-atras ko. Nakalimutan ko yung babala sa inyo eh. Babala. No, asawa ni Babalu. Pag pinanood nyo po ito, huwag kayong susubo ng kahit anong pagkain, huwag kayong iinom, baka maibugan ninyo. No, sa kaharap ninyo kakatawa, mga boss chief amusher. Game!
Thank you so much, Mr. Witness. Now, in what particular portion of the subject video did the respondent utter that she already contracted a person to kill?
Sabi ni Ma'am Annabelle, sarcastic ang mga abogado ni Sara kasi wala naman silang magagawa talaga dyan. Hindi nila kayang idepensa talaga yan.
The President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker of the House of Representatives.
Are you done?
Objection?
Objection, Your Honor.
Wow.
Objection? Wow! Objection. Tinatanong lang naman, ano ang sinabi ng Vice Presidente? Sabi ni Butch Mia, 9610, mukhang delikado si Sara dyan ah. No?
Objection, counsel for response.
Your Honor, the question is misleading. There was no mention anywhere before that the video mentioned that the killing.
Ang hina niyan, boy. Nakita nyo ang hina nung ano niya, walang sinabi. Yung witness na meron siyang minensyon na merong killing o pagbabanta. Kayang sabihin niya kayang sabihin niyan nung witness agad. Hindi ko lang po nasabi sa mga unang salaysay ko pero meron po talaga. 'Di ba?
Of the President.
To kill.
Yeah, there's no mention in any testimony earlier.
Nakita nyo? Yun lang. Pero tayo lahat nakita ho natin yan. At panigurado, sasabihin lang, hindi, meron po talaga. Di ba?
There's no mention that video.
Your Honor, again, with all respect, the records will bear me out. Bases have been more than complied with. This witness mentioned many times over that the subject of the investigation is the statement of the Vice President that she already contracted a person to kill the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker. There's no...
Yung tipo ho bang mga kababayan, alam niya sa sarili niya na ang mamamayang Pilipino napanood yung video. At alam niya sa sarili niya na yung NBI agent na nakaupo doon ay siya yung nag-imbestiga. Na kayang sabihin ulit mamayang konti hindi po, kukorek ko po. Pero hindi ko lang nasabi doon sa mga unang statement ko, pero meron. Di ba? Pero, wala silang choice eh. Yun lang ang kaya nilang ipang-black. Yun lang ang kaya nilang ipang-depensa. Kaya, sabi ko nga sa inyo, matatalino itong mga lawyer na ito. Mga nasa top, mga primera, klasiko, ang mga lawyer na ito. Pero do sa sitwasyon ng Vice Presidente, lalo na po sa pagbabanta sa buhay, mahihirapan ito. Kahit sino pang pinakamatalino mga bossing. Nako, ito pera ulit. Sir Bernie. Hello, Sir Bernie. Good evening. Yep, I can hear you.
I'm calling you because lately we've been having a little concern. We have not been using the trainer as it's supposed to be because we're supposed to be at 8 o'clock and he always tells us to come at 7 o'clock and we cannot do that.
Mhm.
because my got work real late at night.
Okay.
And, and we can,
Okay, Sir Bernie, would you like me to call you back like in an hour? Is that fine with you?
that's okay.
I call you back, okay? Yep.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yep. O, yun naman. O, game. Mga kababayan, nasa na tayo? Tuloy!
Basis for the objection, Your Honor, please.
Your Honor, may I ask for a readback? He was the only party who said that, Your Honor, not
Kindly
the...
use the third party in referring to Gopo.
Sandali, uy, pagbigyan natin ito. Ngayon ko lang ulit na nabasa ito. Yung huli kong nabasa itong ganito na tinawag yung, bot-bot nimo? Yung panahon ni Kibuloy nung inaaresto Bot-bot nimo, ug dili ko matuo. Ani daw, giilad, rata. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Hindi naman ako taga Davao. Oh. Papa-explain ko pa yan kay Kibuloy. Si Kibuloy nasa loob na ng kulungan. Hindi ko alam yan. No? Bahala ka sa buhay mo. Bot-bot ka na, bot-bot dyan.
Opposing counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
If I may, Your Honor.
May I ask, Your Honor, for a...
Let the counsel for defense finish his statement.
May I ask, Your Honor, for a reading of the transcript, as the witness, to my recollection, never mentioned that the Vice President did those things.
All right. If I may, Your Honor, please.
Counsel, kindly lay the basis.
Yes, Your Honor, please. Now, Mr. Witness, you said that your office, the NBI, conducted an investigation for a statement made by the Vice President noong Nobyembre 23, taong 2024. Naalala mo yun?
Objection, Your Honor.
Oh. Your Honor, please.
What is the basis of the objection?
Your Honor, it's leading.
Your Honor, please. If I may, Your Honor, please.
Do you remember? Leading, Your Honor.
If I may, Your Honor, please. I'm just giving into what
Sabihin mo na lang. Magsalaysay ka na lang dyan. Sandali lang, ha? Dahil sa time. Game. Game. Leading, Your Honor.
the defense wants. The record will bear me out. This witness mentioned so many times over that he investigated the statement of the Vice President uttering that she already contracted a person. The whole nation is listening.
The chair will
Your
make
Honor,
a ruling.
so
The
many
objection-
words leading.
The chair will make a ruling. The objection is overruled. Earlier, Chair noted, I have it in my notes, that the question was propounded by counsel with respect to the 11
Sabi niya, Sir Mark, bot-bot niya is punitive niya hindi ko naintindihan again.
11/23/24 incident that was the subject matter of a digital forensic examination by the witness pertaining to the former Vice President. That was the instance, if the counsel will recall, that counsel for the prosecutors asked the witness if he knew who the Vice President was. So the objection is overruled. Witness may answer.
Your Honor, may I state for the record, my objection is on the part of the question where he said that the Vice President hired someone to kill the President, the First Lady, and the Speaker of the House, not on the identification of the Vice President.
Noted. Court already made a ruling. Witness will answer.
Mr. Witness, naalala mo ba yung tanong?
Can you repeat the question?
Okay,
sir?
now.
Kindly repeat the question, counsel.
In what particular portion of the subject video in that online media conference of the Vice President did she utter that she already contracted a person to kill the President, the First Lady, the former Speaker? In what portion?
Objection.
Objection! Putang Inunahan ko na mga kababayan, dahil alam ko. Inunahan ko na kasi alam ko mag-object din mga kababayan. Object siya. Ano kaya yung object naman dito sa pagkakataon nito, mga kababayan? Sabi ni Ma'am BG Badjola, mukhang may mababato na naman ng laptop. Tingin ko no? Kung puro ganyan, no? Tapos mababasa ng Vice Presidente yung social media. Ba't talaga pinagtatawanan tayo dahil puro objection lang ang sinabi mo? No? Ang mahal-mahal ng bayad ko sa inyo, tapos ganito, eto lang ang sasabihin nyo. O kaya tayo pinagtatawanan. O inisip ng mamamayang Pilipino, alaw na tayo, olat na tayo, yari na tayo. O,
Your Honor.
What
Sir,
is the objection?
Your Honor, this honorable court already ruled on this question. The discussion later on was on the leading question made by the prosecutor. If you recall, Your Honor, this honorable court said
paano kaya gustong tanong ni Basa, mga kababayan? Ano sinabi ng Vice Presidente? Ganun na lang. No? Ano ang sinabi ng Vice Presidente doon sa November 23 nung nasa video siya, nung nakita? Ganun na lang, siguro.
prosecutor, please lay the foundation, the basis for your question.
Ayaw niya ng ganon, yung may katiting na mga may pundasyon doon sa katanungan. Ang gusto niya talagang blanco. Paano yun? Kung aalamin talaga kung ano yung gustong mismong malaman talaga kung ano. Di ba? Kung ano, eto, oras na ito, ganito. Di ba? Ganyan, Ito yung gusto kong matukoy mismo. Ano yung sinabi ng Vice Presidenta dito? Di ba, Ma'am Len de los Santos? Ito naman si Sir. Pinapatagal. Or baka naman ganito. Nako, yari ako kay BP Sara. Ano? Sabi namin, ready at kayang-kaya namin. Sisiw lang sa amin ito. Tapos hindi naman pala. Objection ko. Kunyari, objection ako ng objection. Para kunyari, etong si Atty. Ligutan, may mga violation at merong mga above the rule na ginagawa. Naputik na. Parang naman, hindi mabato ng laptop.
Your Honor, please, if I make a response.
The presiding officer will ask the witness. Mr. Witness, out of
Si Chis na. Baka si Chis magtatanong yata. Ako na magtatanong. Sige. Baka mamaya pag si Chis na nagtanong, objection, Your Honor. Hindi ka pwede magtanong.
the 2 or more so hours of video that you downloaded, do you know if at all the timestamp that pertains to any statements made by the Vice President pertaining to any of the allegations in the articles of impeachment?
Ewan ko na lang kung DDS ka tapos masaya ka pa din dito sa objection nito. Ano?
Particularly Article 4, the subject matter of this case, in relation to alleged threats made by her in that video.
Yes, Your Honor, but may I refer to my investigator's note, Your Honor?
You may do so. Senator Cayetano is recognized.
The presiding officer,
Alan Cayetano. Sorry,
may I know from the records, is this the first time that the witness mentioned that the Vice President uttered threats against the President, the former Speaker, and the First Lady?
Your Honor, if I may, there was
Because if
no
it's the-
mention at all.
Yes.
Sorry, apologies.
No, because if it's the first time, precisely the rule says that you cannot allow leading questions. Whether it's from the judges, whether it's from the presiding officer, or from the defense, or the... So meaning, you lay the basis. Simply, you ask him, ano yung laman ng video? Pag binanggit na niya na may ganito sa laman ng video,
Ganito lang, ano ang pinaka-importante na laman ng video na yon? Yun na lang siguro, sensitibo tong sila Alan Peter Cayetano. Palibasa, gusto lumusot to, mga kababayan. Ito yung nakita kong senator judge, tsaka yung kapatid niya. Ito yung mga nakita kong senator judge na akala mo nandoon sa sa Defense Council ng Vice Presidente. Etong sila Peter Cayetano.
then you can ask him na directly what
Ay, sandali, may napansin lang ako kay Peter. Nagpatubo ng balbas, Kayo kasi lagi nyo tinatawag na Petra, Ayan, parang si Petra ang presiding officer. Nagpatubo tuloy ng balbas si Peter Cayetano, Di ba? Para medyo, kunyari, matigas na din. Di ba? Ayan, tuloy,
part. So all of us want to expedite it, but let's follow the rules. So that's why I'm asking, has this witness this afternoon, I missed a portion because I have a headache and I had to eat before I drink medicine, but I was watching sa TV. But hindi ko pa narinig na sinabi niya to. Kasi kung hindi pa niya sinabi,
Akla pa rin ka. Grabe kayo kay Peter. Ano po? Grabe kayo kay 10K. Nagpabalbas na nga. Akla pa rin. Sabi ni Firehorse, oh, Petra pa rin. Grabe kayo talaga. Nagpabalbas na ha. Para medyo astig at matigas na ang itsura. Kayo talaga? Oh.
Mr. Presiding Officer, can we just follow the rules and just lay the basis, ask him kung ano laman ng video, let him testify, tapos pag binanggit niya, then you can ask him, hindi na siya leading. But we shouldn't really ask leading questions.
Ayan na, syempre narinig niya na o sasabihin niya na. Yung pagbabanta po sa buhay ng presidente, asawa ng presidente at pinsan ng Pangulo. Tapos na. No, ganyan lang din sasabihin niyan mamaya.
Because we'll violate the rules. So excuse me, but I'll just be very particular when it comes to the rules, and it's not against any group.
Senator Judge Cayetano, it will take some time before we can quote-unquote appeal to the records. I'm trying to have them get it. But in lieu of that, that's why the chair tried to intervene. Can counsel kindly lay the basis?